Hi, a very good day everyone. I hope you are all well. Guys, it's Philip here from Safari Hunt. I'm here in South Africa, central South Africa, in the Northern Cape, Kimberley, and our business is based here in Kimberley. Guys, today I want to show you this new product of Hikmicro, the Alpex Pro, the A50 PL day night vision scope of Hikmicro. It's a real new release, and today I'll be sighting it in and show you guys step by step how to sight in the scopes. Yeah, this scope comes with a laser rangefinder that is fitted here on top. It's like a fixed fit, and the laser rangefinder range up to 1200 meters. What is an improvement for me on this one from the A50 EL is that the zoom knob is sitting here, same like a traditional optic scope, day optic scope, and it has like a parallax here where you focus it, not where it was before. And what I like is it has like a clip ring. You can focus it and then you clip it back, and then it can't turn. It's just like a lock. Here on top is your menu button and where you control everything. On this side you have the battery compartment, a bit different from the previous one. Just clip on and then you just close it quickly like that. 45mm eye relief, the on and off here, sleep mode, laser rangefinder, videos and photos here. This basically the same as the previous one. It also comes with this the IR infrared illuminator torch and the bracket that can fit it next to the gun for your nighttime shooting. Right, so guys, now I'm gonna set up a target here on 25 meters, and I have one of those Hikmicro sight-in papers, so I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. Yes, okay, so yeah, it's quite a rainy day the last 2-3 days here in our region, so it's wet, and I see the clouds is packing up. There's some more rain up on its way. So yes, so guys, let's go for it. I'll say, let me quickly show you my target. Alright, so ek het hierdie zero target van Hikmicro hier so, lekker dik karton papiertjie. Very nice target here of Hikmicro. So this is some of the simple stand I have. So I'm gonna put this target on here, take some of my staple gun, and I'm gonna stitch it fast daar so. Daar sy. En dan gaan we nog een hier so. Right, so dis my target. Ek gaan hom op 25 meter sit. Eerste skoot skiet, dit eers op papier kom, en dan sal ek hom van daar vat. Right ou. So, alright, kom. Yes, I guess that's about 25 meter. Kom Trompie. Ja, en dis Trompie. Dis my jaghondjie die. Hy is my uisterhondjie. Hy loop, hy is my skaduwee. Hy loop oral saam met my. So ons jag ons, as ons slaap ons. Okay. Alright, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a method that was part of the professional hunters course I did in they call it bore sight. So what you basically do is you remove your gun's lock and you look through the bore, as I call it, and you try to get it on the target. A bit of high there. And then at the same time you look through the you try to get it on right on the target, and then at the same time you look through the scope, and there I can see that it is too high, so I'm gonna adjust it. Ah, come on. Come on. Okay, so we go to zeroing. Go down to correction. And let's go and we freeze it first. So I think I've got it there. So I'm gonna freeze. I'm going to correction. Alright, so I'm gonna take it down just to get it closer, and then you know that you won't waste so much bullets. Back, safe parameter. Alright, so I think I'm ready now to take the first shot, and then we can see where it hit. Alright, guys, so I did all those things, and now I am ready to take the first shot. I'm gonna put back the lock. Still have some rounds in the magazine, so let's go for the first shot. Alright, so let me hit the first shot. Alright, so clearly you can see where the first shot is. So I'm not gonna walk closer. What I'll be doing is I'm gonna be going straight to the zeroing menu. Correction, and I'm gonna magnify a bit. (16), and now I'm gonna freeze. You freeze the reticle where you want to shoot, so on your target. So jy freeze hom waar jy wil skiet. Right, daar's ek gevries waar ek wil skiet. So nou gaan ek af na die X en Y koördinate toe. Jy trek met die X is jou vertikale lyne. Daar is hy amper daar, so kan nie lekker korrel nie. Anyway, nou gaan ek hom opvat, boontoe, na die skoot toe. So, daar is hy op die skoot, precies op die skoot. Now I'm gonna save it. I'm going to go back, save parameters, okay. So, sonder om tyd te mors, gaan ek klaar die volgende skoot skiet. Ek het nog gewonder, wat is daai? Dus het 'n vlieg. Yes, like it, man. I see something there. I thought, what happened now? Okay, so it seems like it's in the center. I'm just gonna walk closer, just to go and check, but I think there it is. Man, that fly gave me stressed. Okay, so we can now say that this one is now zeroed on 25 meters. Right, let's just walk there and check what we see there. Alright, guys, so fairly we can say that successfully this gun is zeroed on 25 meters. You can clearly see where I draw it up. There was a fly sitting there, and I thought, no man, that can't be. And then the fly flew up away, and then I see, there it is. So I'm gonna move it now to 100 meter, because that is where I like to shoot my guns in. Yeah, this is my 6.5 Creedmoor that I'm using now. So I'm gonna move this target away. Just mark those two holes so I don't repeat them. But normally on 25 meters you will shoot low, roughly 1 MOA. So on 100 meters I think it's going to shoot somewhere here. But let's do the exercise and see. Alright, so I'm here now. I just want to scratch these two, so I know that I hit here before. Alright, so back from 100 meters where I put the target now. So I want to take another shot and just check where it hit there. So right, kom ons kyk gou daar wat maak hy manne. Okay. Nou kan ou nogal duidelik sien. Oor die ander verbetering op die scope is dat hy wys nou al twee batterye. Soos jou Stella reeks. Jy sal sien daar die ondersteunende external, die boonste ene internal, wat vir my nogals baie nice is. Alright, so kom ek vat 'n skootjie daar, kyk ons wat maak ek het hom nou sommer vol gezoom. 24, ja, hy zoom van 24 na van 4 na 24, so kwijt. Kom ons vat hom daar. Daar sê ja, ek het 'n voorspelling gemaak dat hy sal hoog skiet. Daar sien ons dat hy heel bo daar geskiet, so ek gaan eers nader stap nie. I'm gonna sommer set it from here. Okay, so this thing image quality is so good that I can actually see that where it hit there, so I don't have to walk closer. So ja, kom ons skryf daar correction, magnify, ek gaan hom sommer klaar vol magnify, en dan gaan ek die screen freeze. Come on, that's good enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna adjust in line with that one. It's about there. En dan gaan ek hom opstel. I like the center. They make the center for me a very smaller cross. It looks like a cross or a dot. Yeah, I think I adjusted a bit over, so I'm gonna go back there and just take it a little bit back. Alright, so yeah, alright, so back, save parameters. Alright, so without wasting any time, let me shoot another shot. And let me just test this at laser rangefinder. Oh, 95 meters. Okay, I thought it's 100. Alright, so let me take another shot and check whether that was the correct amount of adjust. Dan sit 'n bietjie skeef. Okay. Heat low, a bit low, so I'm going to adjust it a little bit there. If I can just get it on in a circle. Alright, so kom ons gaan daar. Dis nie tyd mors nie. Kom ons vergroot hom tot op 24. Okay, freeze. I'm only going to use the Y coordinate. And that's good enough for me. Back, save parameter. Go out of the menu. Okay, so let me take another shot. Kom met vergroot. Okay. Daar's hy. Right next to the bull. Okay guys, so yeah, on 100 meters it shot very high, higher than what I expected, but anyway, I adjusted and then it hits here below, adjusted a little bit up and it hit here, and I was satisfied with that, and I took another shot and you can see it is inside that one, so I'm very happy with this. For me now that's okay. So from here I can adjust, I can set my ballistic calculator And to shoot on further distances, the ballistic calculator will do the thinking for me, the drop calculation. Okay julle, so vir my is hier die geweer nou ingestel, of die scope. Ek is baie beïndruk met hierdie kwaliteit en die verbeteringe wat hulle aangebring het op hierdie scope. I think this scope is gonna be one of the big turnarounds for Hikmicro. Ek dink regtig hierdie scope gaan baie goeie resultate lewer in die veld, dagjag, plains game jag, nagjag, rottejag, jakkalse ongediertes, enige dinge besonderse scope hierdie. Julle kan my kontak as jy belangstel in so 'n scope. Kontak my as jy sukkel dalk met joune of iets soos daai, ek help jou graag as ek tyd het. Anders los 'n WhatsApp vir my. Terugkom na jou toe. Baie dankie dat julle hierdie video gekyk het. Ek hoop dit gaan iemand help daar buitekant. Om ding ingestel te kry en dalk so hier en daar 'n triek vir jou geleer. Dit is vir my lekker om mense te help. So ja, onthou asseblief like daaronder, gooi 'n boodskapie daaronder in die comments. Sê vir my wat julle graag nog wil sien. En subscribe my channel. Dan sal jy baie meer van hierdie video's en goeders van my sien. Ek is regtig 'n ambassadeur vir Hikmicro. I'm an ambassador for Hikmicro, so I took their product seriously. And thanks for your watching and lekker dag. Nice day for you guys. We'll talk again in the next video. Thank you very much.